Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a tool I'd like to share that can help you with your math projects. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so I am signed into Google and I'm going to click on the waffle board here. You need to go down and find what is called the Jamboard. When you hit the Jamboard, I'm going to open up a recent Jamboard real quickly and I'm going to show you how I used it for one project. Now we were supposed to solve surface area. They quite often only gave me the area of one face. Well, to do surface area you need all 6 faces. So I created this quickly to show them how you would switch to a rectangle and start drawing the faces, put your measurements. You can label everything with text. You can select and stretch and adjust to get the exact shape that you were aiming for. You can bring out sticky notes. So if that one was the front, I could also do the back. You can pick your own cool colors and move these where they need to be. The sticky notes can also be shrunk. Hopefully this makes it clear that these are the sides, this would be the top, and this would be the bottom. You can switch to things like I had the highlighter, and I drew arrows pointing at things as I was explaining it. Now part of explaining is you can also share this. You could have another student you were working with as a team, so you could be leaving notes, solving all this together as you worked. The graph paper is not how it starts. You can switch between the backgrounds to find what you like. I like the graph paper for this problem, and I like it for another project I'm going to show you. So real quickly, I'm going to click back on the J, and let's start a brand new project. All you do is come down here and hit the plus sign. When it arrives, pick your background. I love the graph paper, especially from what I'm about to show you. So watch this, we're going to solve a line of best fit really quickly. First, I'm going to switch to the black pen. I'm going to go to where I want X to start. I'm going to hold down Shift, and when I click here and stretch across, when I hold Shift, the line is straight. I'm going to choose this to be where Y is. I'm going to hold Shift, and bam, I have just drawn my graph lines. I'm going to come over here to the text box, and I'm going to count by 2s. So I'm going to do 2 space 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 space, 4 space 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 space, 6 space 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 space, and make all these numbers on my graph. Now notice how that didn't fit? Well, then I can stretch it out and label it as needed. Alright friends, so let's do some data. One of my favorite tricks is to go to Google Docs and create your data in a table and then use a screen capture tool to cut it out. I like to use snipping tool. You can use whatever tool you like, but if you grab this, you can select it, and all you have to do is copy it, and boom, you can paste your data in to your project. It's that easy to have a high quality data table for the line that you're going to graph. Alright friends, so to make points, I don't have a fantastic system yet. I'm going to just simply use blue and use a large marker, and then just draw them as close as you can to the spot you want. If you just wiggle your mouse a little bit, you get decent points. It's not perfect, but you can see I can create the little data points. Just remember, if you ever make one that you don't like, go to erase and get rid of it. But get your data added. Notice my data is fake, but that doesn't matter. It's just showing you how it works. And then friends, here's how you do the line of best fit. I'm going to switch to a different color so it's easier to see. And then I'm going to find my 2 points that I think would best describe my line of best fit. I'm going to hold down Shift on the first point, and that does the straight line. And then I can stretch it across through my data and find what I think would be the line of best fit. When you click and set it down, you've got your line, and my friends, you've got your y-intercept. All kinds of cool things you can do with these jams. Just remember to name them. I'm going to put math on mine. I've got my table. You've got your information. And don't forget, you've got a way that when you're done, you can download as a PDF for sharing. So my friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.